In this video, I'll show you how to copy a Google form in seconds. Perfect if you are reusing quizzes, surveys or templates. First, head over to forms.google.com and log into your Google account. Once inside, you'll see all your existing forms. Find the one you want to duplicate. If you're finding this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Now, with your form open, look to the top right corner and click the 3 vertical dots, also known as the More Options menu. From the drop-down, select Make a Copy. A small window will appear asking you to rename your copied form. You can leave the default name Copy Of or type in something new to stay organized. Hit OK and your new form is instantly created. And that's it, you've successfully duplicated your Google form. It's fast, simple, and a huge time saver whenever you need a ready-made template.